Hi, my name is Dave Bala, and I'm a project engineer with the Google Project Office. I'm also a working diver with the Corps of Engineers, and I'm out here in beautiful Lorain, Ohio, doing some dive oversight for the repairs to the sheet pile cells. Right now, the divers are going to attach the panel for the sections of the panel that can be attached above water. This big structure is their dive platform. It's a very nifty setup they have. Hydraulically controlled, you can lower them down so they can work off the platform as they are drilling holes to attach the rivets. So just to give you an idea, these are the panels that are set up against the sheet pile cell to replace, to do a repair where there's vertical crack going down the cell. So what they're doing right now, these plates are against the sheet pile and they need to drill a hole through the existing sheet pile. So these are kind of like guide holes that drill attaches to this, and it's a magnetic clamp, so the drill clamps down and then they drill it in. Then after they drill the hole through the existing sheet pile, they're going to set a rivet. Over here we actually had a cell that totally failed, and a few years ago part of their work was to demo the existing cell. Then when they came back this year, the design was to install new sheeting, and it's not finished yet. There's a concrete cap that's going to be poured, but they're letting the material settle a little bit more before they get on with completing the cell. But this was all new sheeting that went in here to fill in the gap that we had. So here they are. They're attaching the magnetic drill to the wall. And they're going to be drilling a pilot hole for the rivets. They're going to go in. And again, this is above water here, so there's no... and the guy on the left is actually in a wetsuit, so he is buoyant. Hey, go for it, Ryan. Let's see what you got. So what they're doing above water here right now is exactly the same work that the diver will be doing underwater. So this kind of gives you a good idea of the work that the diver will be doing. Again, those push bars are setting the sheets firm against the existing sheet pile wall, so there's no gap when he sets the rivet. Another view looking down on the diver. So again, I think this particular panel is 27 feet, give or take, so he's got a lot of drilling and a lot of rivets to set. Here's actually one of the repair panels from a few years ago. It's holding up quite well. As you can see, the rivets are, well, the top two panels, because of the existing concrete cap, they weren't able to drill in to set the rivets, so they actually welded along the top and side edges. And then once they got below the two top panels, they were able to start setting rivets. So anyway, that existing repairs held up well.